Hello everyone, I'm Anjana Verma, and as you know that I'm taking your object-oriented programming and methodology subject, and today we will start input-output processing. As we have done input-output, what is input and what is output, but we will see here in detail for especially OOPS concept or C++. C++ standard libraries are there, extensive libraries for input and output program functions or streams. We are seeing streams means sequence of characters. In C++, we are using the streams, and cin and cout are the object of stream classes. If bytes flow from the device like keyboard, disk drive, or network connection to the main memory, we say that input operation is occurring. If the bytes flow from the main memory to the screen, printer, then we say, or disk drive, then we say it, the bytes are flowing for the output operation that we can see on our display unit. Now, we will see here the class hierarchy. There is a main class input output stream IOS class, which can be, we can say, hierarchical structure divided into two parts. Is stream means input stream, O stream means output stream. Now O stream and is stream both are the parent class of IO stream class. Here we can see the multiple inheritance means O stream class is inherited by the I stream and O stream, two parent classes. And we will see that input output, console input output, all the functions are present in this class. That's why we are including the header file iostream.h, and C and Cout both are the object of this class. Here you can see two things. First is the input output for console. IOStream means input from the keyboard, output to the screen. And niche you can see in below side F stream means file stream. Means if you want to store your data permanently on your hard disk, then that time we use F stream class. If stream is used to read file from the hard disk, and O stream is used to write file on the hard disk. Means input output is divided in two parts, file stream and IO stream means console stream. Console means the input output which are used. Standard input means keyboard and standard output means the display screen. And file stream means we are storing data or writing data or reading data from the hard disk, permanent storage. Now, next we will see the library. There are so many library files in which we can see the functions of that particular objects or particular function. That is IOStream define, IOStream.h file define the C in Cout objects or input output stream standard and standard input and standard output stream. IO input output manipulation file, header file will show the stream manipulators. आपको set width कितनी रखनी है, you want to set precisions for decimal points, do this, include this header file IO manip manip. F stream is file again used for the file input output stream. Now stream of input output class object greater so sign या less than 2 signs. They are actually the bit operators, bit shifting operators. They are shifting the bit right or left. But we are overloading here for input and output with Cin. We are overloading the right bit shift bit operator, and for Cout we are overloading the left bit shift operator. In polymorphism chapter, we will see what is overloading. means the function or the operator has some predefined function, suppose plus sign, which is actually used for the arithmetic addition. But we can use that plus function for adding two characters, for adding two streams, for adding two objects. Is what we are doing? We are overloading the plus operator. Now, standard output stream is cout. We can see the use of this, the predefined object cout. Instead of OStream class, cout is used in the conjunction of stream insertion operator. Means less than sign, you can say insertion operator means it inserts the value of variable or messages to the standard output, means screen. Now we can see a small program, void main. We are taking the character type of data. String is the variable, single dimension array variable of character type. Means we can store in this str hello C++ or length or stream of characters. Now we are using cout and this insertion operator. After that I have written the message value of str is. Again I am using this insertion operator. Then I want to actually display the content of str. What is the content of str? That is hello C++. Means the print will be value of str is hello C++, and after that again I am using this insertion operator which will insert end of line. Now when you compile and execute your program, you will see value of str is hello C++. Here in cout, we are using insertion operator 3 times. And you can say this is the cascading of operators. You can write cout, value of str is semicolon. Then again you write cout, insertion operator str. Then again you write cout, insertion operator NL. Means instead of 3 statements, you can write in one statement by using this insertion operation as cascading. Now next is the standard input cin. This is the object of instance of iStream class, input stream class, with the conjunction of extraction operator, which extracts the value from the keyboard and store in the address of that variable. That is, we can say is right shift operator, or we can say the two greater sign. Here we can see here character, and the name is a variable of 50 characters. You can store 50 character in name. After that I am displaying cout, please enter your name. And in cin, whenever you write the name, suppose we give Amit from the keyboard, it will store, means the cin operator will store, extract, this extraction operator extract from the keyboard, and it is stored in the address of the name variable. After that again we are printing your name is name and endl. Here you can also use the cascading like this: cin, extraction, name, extraction, operation, and age. Instead of this, you can write cin name, semicolon, again cin name, cin extraction operator, and age. Instead of 2 statements, you can write in 1 statement by using the extraction operator as cascading. I think we have done here. What is cin cout? They are the object of the iStream and OStream class, and iStream and OStream class is the subclass of IOStream class. Okay, means for input and output we are using the class and objects cin and cout. I think you understood this simple statement. This is very basic but very important statement for the C++, and I am ending this session here. and we will meet in next session. Till then, goodbye.